Well, actually, this topic is more vast in itself because I have to compare the two things, like women with the men. If I have to say my feelings, if I think in my opinion, then I don't think that women are better manager than the men. Because yeah, women can do her work better, she can manage everything. But when she has have to go in the business field, then I don't think that she will do the better, whatever she can do in her home. Because in business, we have to face with many obstacles, like we have to deal with different persons, then we have to deal with different persons. Main thing, in business we have to deal with different sorts of people which have a different opinion. And to talk with them, to deal with them, I don't think that women can deal better than men. Because actually women have one nature, that shyness. They shy to talk with strangers. They cannot say everything what they can because they are a little bit shy and they can be a bit frustrated to talk about what they want to say. So I don't think that women could be the better manager than men.
I totally disagree with you because men only works in office for 10 to 5, yeah, but women work 24 hours for in their home. So she can manage everything. She manages, we can say, one is mother, daughter-in-law, wife. She manages every relationship. She talks to everyone. Then why cannot she deal in a business?
Okay, I'm agree with you that. Okay, let me say that. I think that you know the Sachin. He is a Sachin Tendulkar. He can play a cricket well. But if we take him to the football ground, can he play the football better?
A good example, but why in today's world both men and women are equally. Women are also totally educated. They can handle their business also. They can handle their home also. So why can't women be a better manager? I think women can be a better manager.
Yeah.
So I agree with her. I think that talent cannot be discriminated with the gender, person's gender. The qualities of good manager is organizing, planning, leading, and so much. The man can be the qualities of those manager. So a woman can be a manager because she can handle the house and the outside, because she cannot handle the outside work and say that she is not given an opportunity to do such kind of work, that our society is male dominate, that she cannot go outside and she should be work inside the home and in the control of men. So she cannot be a good manager in this opinion, but if she can get opportunities, she can do much and much better.
Okay, I believe that talent doesn't discriminate according to the gender. But what women does lack is they lack in a tendency to take risks. To be a good manager, we should take risks, but the women are afraid to take risks. So I don't think that the women will be good manager because they don't want the risk taking ability.
Okay, if women can manage everything in her family, she can prepare food, she can look after her child. To be a manager, I think that that manager should have the capacity to manage everything. If she cannot manage to be a manager, then how can we say that she will be the better manager?
One quality of manager is to build a team. Team building is one of the main quality of manager. Just see in the house, a woman manages her daughter, her father, her mother, daughter-in-law, mother-in-law, and her son, and she builds a kind of team in the house. You know that. That's why I think that she can manage a manager in one organization.
But if I were in a company and you were in a company, and if you were to go and control a mob in night, then you will say that I am God and I can control the mob in night. But if that task is given to me, then I can't say that I am a boy. I can't control. I have to go and control the mob or anything at night. So women doesn't have this kind of attitude or this kind of tendency, so I don't think that.
Yeah, I agree with you, but women cannot do in night is the feeling of women. Men does not provide the opportunity to work a woman in the night duty, and her husband cannot lead her to go in outside in night duty. So if she get opportunity to do our work in night, then she can obviously do the work.
Sorry friends, you are trying to oppose like the male is female is better than male, but for a good manager there should be some qualities like communication skill, managerial skill, and stress management skill. And if she has that skill, then she can be a better manager. Similarly, if man has that quality and he can be also a good manager, so it is totally unfair to select good manager on the basis of gender.
Yeah, well, actually, you said that we are opposed or we are against that women are the better. We are not against that women are the better. Huh? We agree that women will be the good. But if we have to say that male are the better than the female.
No,
Okay.
are you saying that?
Okay, let's see the data.
We can see the data.
Yeah, we can see that
in globally there are more male managers
It's
than.
because of male-dominated society.
Yeah.
Male doesn't give chance to women. If a male can give chance to women, then they are both equally. We have been studying equally. They are equal student of men, boys and girls in college. Why can't girls have been together and they can see that there are more girls than men? Why can't we?
Why success rate this?
Because of male.
Because of
not
Because you lack something in you.
No, because
It's because you lack
If we say
something.
that male are dominating women, then it is wrong. Because to be a manager, you have to face the challenges. You have to solve your problem yourself. You cannot say that the men are dominating us, we cannot do. That is your mistake. We can also do, we will do. You have to solve that.
it's of previous in past it was like that, but nowadays it's not like that. Nowadays women are also developing themselves. They are also in business field, in management. There are many examples of women being a good managers.
Yeah, you are saying that is good also. We can say
But
that.
it's only
No,
in
no.
saying. It's only in saying you have not done. You have not proven anything. You have only said because in fact in data men are means they are.
Their men are getting that.
In data, you can see that men are better than women. You can see that. But in past days, women are not literate or educated. In nowadays, they are educated and they are going to be a leading point. They are progressing their education level. So, if we give a chance of from today, then women can be a good manager.
Yeah, you said that if women are provided a chance.
Yeah.
But you know, to be a manager, women should not be the provided a chance. Because you said that we should provide it a chance so that we can do better. If you are provided a chance, then you will be free that I'm sure I will be the manager. If you have to compete with the male, to be a manager, you have to compete with the male.
I think that
Just like in Nepal, we can see that there is a certain seat for the women.
We can see
Job or
that.
something, yeah. If certain seat are provided, like we can get that 33% to the women. When we provide 33% to the women, then we are blocking that 33%. I'm not saying that women are not good, but if we give actually the 30% to the women, then we will be stopping some talent manager from there. Okay?
Yeah, I agree with you, but I can see that in newspaper, I can see in vacancy is opening for manager. Then there we can see that manager post is only for men. They're quoting for male, not female. That is the male dominated. That female are not, if not dominated female and men, then we can apply for that post. If there is only quoted male, then why we can, for what we can apply and we can do better.
Yeah, actually you say that there is, in newspaper you say that there is indicating male, but I don't think that.
I see the
Because if we see the vacancies, there will be vacancy for both male and female. But especially there, if there something post, there is vacancy for the female, then they only indicate only for female. They don't say, I haven't seen much, I have seen only few saying that only for male. But I have seen a lot for the women. Okay?
women are not only given opportunity to in the lower level post, not for the higher level. They are only recruiting women for lower level receptionists, the cashier. Only they are given opportunity in female. But I cannot see that manager post female are individual.
But if they are not, okay, if they cannot do the work, then how can a person recruit them? If they cannot,
if she has not given opportunity, how can she prove that she cannot do work?
it's opportunity. We are not given. Anybody does not give us opportunity. We grab it ourselves. That's the.
Female doesn't want any opportunity. They should have quality to be a good manager, and I think she can be a good manager because she have good communication skill, and she can handle. She can work under stress.
Earlier you told that women can't take risks. How can you say women can't take risks?
Yeah.
Only men can take.
Okay.
Women are both are equal. Then how can women can't take risks?
Okay, if you are put in some situation that there are two of us, okay, you and me, and we are put in this difficult situation, then if the job is given to both of us, then you will say, I am God, I cannot do this kind of job. Okay, if the job is supposed to lift weights, okay,
No,
job is supposed to lift weights or
we are talking about managers.
okay,
not
in manager
about physical
we
work.
have to do many things. Not only many things, we can even be a worker, we can even be a leader, we can even be a staff. While being a manager means we have to conduct many things. But women, they say we are weak, we cannot do this
Why
physical
do you
work,
always talk-
we cannot go in night and do work in night. And there are many
Because
restrictions.
they
And we
are
can,
controlled by our family.
No.
Because they are controlled
yeah,
by
so this is the thing that women lacks.
One question, why we always compare men and women by physical strength? No, manager doesn't mean by physical strength. It means by
Quality
mental
of the-
strength.
of-
Quality
Yeah, I'm
is
not talking
assistant
about only
strength.
physical strength. I'm also talking about other activities, just like risk taking means.